There's a new sheriff in town, and here she is.
Howdy. I'm the new sheriff.
Yes, we already know that.
Right. And, I'm the best belcher you've ever seen.
Belching ain't a talent. It's a way of life.
Cram it, peanut gallery.
If you obey the law, you're fine. But if you're bad, the belching sheriff will belch you down. It's not that weird. All my Olympic training makes my abs and diaphragm ridiculously strong. When I really load up on carbonated water, I can burp out a campfire.
Whoa, cool!
Thanks, partner.
Yeah, wow.
That was terrible.
Bravo! Let's see the judges' scores.
6.5?
Bad guy costumes were cliche. Black hats, Eon. Total score, 24.5 out of 30. Not too shabby.